How to make money at 25. In this decade of uncertainty and inflation, what else is more important than having multiple sources of income? We need money to fund our needs of daily life and want to experience and enjoy the luxuries of the world. At 25, most people have already started jobs related to their degree or have their professional dreams mapped out. But if you haven't done it already or if you are confused about it, no worries. Today I'm here to help you with it. I will tell you the 5 methods to earn money at 25. One of these new job ideas might be a fully fleshed out career for you, so stay tuned. Before we get to know about the 5 best ways to make money at 25, subscribe to my technical solution and like and share the video. This will help my channel grow, making me bring more quality content for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Learn and dive into digital marketing. Everyone needs digital marketer according to top freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, so this is the most in-demand skills to learn and earn. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the advertising of brands to engage with possible customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This incorporates not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing medium. With digital marketing, you can provide your services to business owners to attract their desired audience and boost sales performance by giving marketing aids. These services also comprise search engine optimization and social media management. SEO service sales. Sites rank higher on search engine result pages, receive more traffic, and generate leads. To offer these services, you must possess SEO skills. These skills include link building and keyword research. On the other side, giving social media management services mean planning and implementing marketing schemes on different social media platforms. These actions enables more audience interaction and brand recognition. An average digital media marketer is making up to $80,000 per year. You can learn digital marketing, search engine optimization, and social media management totally free from platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera. So if you have an interest in marketing, why not get into digital marketing and earn some good money? Number 2. Become a voiceover artist. Voiceover artists use their voice in YouTube videos, radio, television, film, theater, and other presentations. Sometimes they are a dialogue between characters in a good scripted play, often referred to as off-camera or off-stage narration. Voiceover work in a wonderful way to make money fast. Since most voiceover jobs are project-based, a long-term agreement is required, which can be favorable if you don't want to get bound. Companies are always looking for new voiceover artists who have the talent and skills. There are many ways you can use your voice to make some good money. Audiobooks. You can help bring a story to life by narrating various types of books, which include novel and biographies. Advertisement and commercials. Ads with voiceovers are still a popular way to narrate the story of brands in advertisements. Trailer. Movies, shows, and events release trailers need voiceovers also. Demonstration videos. How-to videos need voiceovers. Guides. Audio guides are used by museums, art galleries, and tourist destinations to help visitors. YouTube videos and documentaries. Voiceovers are needed for YouTube videos and documentation which follows a script. To prepare yourself to be a voiceover artist, set aside a few hours of your day and try out some sample scripts to see which niche fits your voice and style the most. Knowing your style and strength will help you market your services to the right people. An average voiceover artist in the US makes up to $70,000 per year. So if you have a knack of voiceover, train your skills and make a name in the voiceover world. Number 3. Start your own YouTube channel. Running a YouTube channel is a good way to make money. As of now, YouTube is the biggest video sharing platform worldwide with an audience of 2 billion plus monthly active users. There are numerous ways to earn money from a YouTube channel. The first step is signing up for the YouTube Partner Program to make sure that you are qualified for monetization. One way to make money with a YouTube channel is through advertising. Other monetization modes including channel membership, super chats, super ticket, and YouTube Brand Connect. YouTube caters to many types of niche video content from gaming reactions to daily blogs. You can make a YouTube channel based on your interest and hobbies too. For example, if you like baking, you can make a baking channel. If you like traveling, you can make travel blogs. To grow your YouTube audience, you must publish videos consistently to get views and build an audience for your channel. Financing a good camera and editing software can also improve video quality and entertain more viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to know about YouTube SEO. This includes adding related keywords and tags to the video title and optimizing video descriptions for search engines. You can learn how to create and build a YouTube channel from YouTube itself as Well, from the numerous courses available on the internet, an average YouTuber is making up to $30,000 to $40,000 per year. So what are you waiting for? Face the camera and get started for your YouTube journey. Number 4. Become a web or app developer. Here is exciting news. The employment of digital designer and web developer are set to grow by 13% between 2020 and 2030. So now is absolutely a good time to jump into industry and start making some good bucks. The first step to become a web developer is to choose a web development discipline. If you do so, it will save you time, money, and energy and help you shine among competitors. After choosing a specialization to learn how to code, there are many websites and courses which can help you get started. Some of them are BitDegree. BitDegree offers beginners and advanced courses on web development as well as scholarship opportunities. Coursera partners with 200 plus universities and companies to provide certified courses to people who want to learn web development. Code Academy. It is perfect for beginners who want quick and interactive courses. Udemy. On Udemy, you can choose from a wide range of on-demand courses in many languages. Creating an app is also one of the best ways to earn from Swift mobile digitalization. You can make money online by creating paid apps or selling the apps to other companies. You can also launch a free app and make money through in-app advertisement. Making app as a side hustle is also an excellent way to sharpen your coding and web developing skills. A freelancer web developer is making around $72,000 per year on average. This should get you started on your web developing career. Number 5. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping business model where people sell products through an online store use a third-party supplier to process and accomplish orders. Is easier than a regular e-commerce store since you don't need to manage the inventory and shipping. Launching a dropshipping store is similar to creating a regular online store. It involves selecting a niche and an e-commerce platform. The main distinction is that dropshippers have to find the perfect supplier. The important thing is that the supplier quality can either make your business or result in a flop. If you are interested in doing business but you don't want to go through the traditional route, dropshipping is the way for you. A thriving dropshipping business can make up to $100,000 per year. If you are not clear about what career you want to choose, you can choose one of these and put away the worries related to career making. So that's all for today, folks. Hope you found the video useful. Want to learn or any of these skills in detail? Let me know, I'll help you. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll have a detailed chat because I love to talk to you guys. I'll see you next time in another video and how to make money.